Alright guys, welcome back to my desk studio. I do appreciate you stopping in. We're doing a late night unboxing. Got our energy here, we're up late night, we finished all my work and homework and stuff I have to do during the day. So I decided to check in, do some unboxings. I'm a little backed up here, I do have quite a few pieces to unbox, so gonna try to get these videos cranked out here, okay? We've got an unboxing today, that's why we're here, of course. If you don't know this channel, this is Unbox and Chill. We do unbox things. We unbox a lot of subscription box services, but I will say here right now that this is from Watch Gang. It's a Watch Gang watch. It is from their wheel. In fact, most of my videos are Watch Gang unboxings. This is actually from their watch wheel. It's a tier 2 watch. It's a diver. We're going to take a look at it, okay? I do want to say at the top of the video, if you guys could for me, hit that subscribe button. We're growing a channel. We're moving nicely. We added a lot of people in the last one. After the last video, I guess a lot of people saw me say, "Hey, listen, we're hit that button. We are doing a giveaway at 500. We're gonna do another one at 1,000." So, like I said, hit that subscribe button. We're growing nicely, and we'd like to continue to grow here. Okay, so let's move everything out of the way. We'll get the desk ready. And this particular watch I've seen around a lot. It's a nice piece. I like it. I like the color. Let's take a look at it, okay? So, like I said, this is from WatchKing.com. This is from their watch wheel, where you can essentially purchase a watch and add it to a wheel, and you may win one of more value or perhaps less value. This particular watch here is a tier 2 watch, okay? So it's about I think it's about $150, $160 in points that you have to, spend to purchase this piece here. So let's take a look at it, okay? I will say, we'll do a wrist check, okay? I'm wearing the Audace. This is the Cave Diver. It's got an open heart, nice metallic dial there with a sunburst, kind of a black and blue sunburst going on. I threw it on a shark mesh. I did unbox this on the channel. I will try to drop a link in the description below, just kind of so you can see this watch as well. Nice daily piece that I got here. But let's take a look at this. So it kind of comes in this nondescript box. There's not really anything on it. And I was thinking to myself, I said, well, I know what company it is, but why is the box so generic? So it appears that this is a company, I believe it's owned by, the box said Time Concepts, which I'm assuming is just kind of a parent company that makes a bunch of smaller company, a bunch of little smaller brand watches. But Time Concepts is the name of the company. So let's take a look here. So we'll slide this out of the way here. And we've got the book here. It's, as you can see, says Hawaiian Lifeguard Association. Okay, so this is going to be, of course, like I said, information about the brand, your care information, and probably also clearly your warranty information as well. Okay, you can see their logo there. It's like a little guy. You see, Hawaiian Lifeguard Association. And we will get down to the piece here. So like I said, I think this is just a generic box for Time Concepts, for all of their different brands that they create here. And this is the Hawaiian Lifeguard. Let's bring that in. So like I said, keep in mind, guys, this is from WatchKing.com. This was $160. This is a tier 2 watch from their watch wheel. I think it's thewheel.com. You can go purchase points. And then this, as you can see here, I'm going to be honest, it's a very quality piece. I actually really do like this one. So as you can see, you've got the quick release here. Okay, so you can take these straps off fairly quickly. You've got the logo on the back. That's engraved in there, or etched in there. Okay, and this is a diver, so we'll take a look at the website and we'll get all of the specs in terms of, let me take the stopper out of here. We'll get all the specs in terms of the water resistance rating and all of that. So this, you push that in, it starts ticking. Yeah, like I said, it, as you know, does have a screw down crown. It is a diver, so it does have a screw down crown. We'll screw that down there. Okay, now we're watertight. And like I said, we'll look at the website. We'll get the water resistance rating on there. But I like this. This is very tasteful. So black dial. You've got these bright yellow band here going on. Let's see here. Yep, that's very tactile. Oh yeah, it's very tactile there. Very solid feeling. Very well made piece. Looks like a nice throw and go piece too. Very rugged. We're gonna pop off the Audaz. We're gonna throw this on wrist. We'll see what it looks like on the wrist, and then we're gonna check out the website. Okay. Let me put this on. Bear with me as I go off camera for just a second here. So I really do like the bright yellow. I think the band stands out a lot. And it does come in a couple different colors. So we'll take a look at the colors here, and we'll see. We'll see exactly what colors this watch is available in. So there it is on the wrist. Okay, so you can see you've got the band there. I guess it's a very nice band. I do like the band a lot. Let me adjust that. There we go. And then you've got, as you can see, you've got that nice black dial. You've got the Hawaiian Lifeguard logo, and it does say it's the official watch of the Hawaiian Lifeguard Association. And listen, I have been to Hawaii. Hawaii is beautiful. So, but yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Very solid piece, guys, especially on this yellow band. Let's see the other colors, though, okay? Let's see here. So let's grab my... Oh, whoops. I didn't mean to drop that. Drop my... It's just my Cash App card. I don't care about that. Just for when I... make a purchase, don't want to use my actual debit card. Okay, so let's see here. So we've got official Hawaiian Lifeguard Association watch. Okay, let's do a. Let's see here. So here's everything in terms of the colors. You get a black band with it, black face like mine. They make, I guess, one here where the case is black. This currently is the one that I am wearing. Okay. This one here has a white face with a black band. They have a blue one. That blue is really nice too. Actually, it would be nice to have the blue with the yellow band. That would be really nice. You've got all black band, black case, with a yellow dial there. You've got yellow on yellow, double yellow. That looks nice. The red band looks nice too. It would be nice to have the red maybe with the yellow face, or perhaps the red with the blue would be nice as well. So it's interesting how you could switch. Well, I mean, I would hope they have every color available, but maybe not. Let's see here, or every color variation available. But you can also buy just the straps here. So just the straps are $40. So they have just the straps. Okay. So let's see here. So yeah, these are the dive watch accessories. You can buy just the straps for this watch. So maybe you can get the different straps. Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Get different straps and switch it up here. Okay. Oh, let me. I didn't look at the specs. I did not look at the specs. Let's go here. Let's see here. Let's go back. I'm just moving through it, looking at the. I didn't know you could buy different bands, and I got excited. Okay, let's take a look here. So these are your detailed specs, okay? So as you can see, that's 42 millimeters. So everybody can pull off a 42 millimeter watch. Unidirectional timing bezel. We've got the screw down locking crown, okay? Screw case back, thick loom on the hands and the dial. Let's see, so you got a quartz 3-hand date movement, okay? Let's see here. I got the K1 hardened mineral crystal. Okay, so it's a mineral crystal, but like I said, this isn't a crazy expensive watch. So not expecting some crazy sapphire or anything like that. Let's see here. So we've got 22 millimeter rubber straps. Oh, don't go to sleep on me. And it does say the watch comes with the yellow strap. Red and black straps are available for separate purchase, and then there are 200 meters of water resistance here. So. Like I said, guys, this is a very nice piece, very nice daily piece. I am definitely enjoying this one. This one was through watchgang.com. Just to let you guys know again, you can get this at thewheel.com. I'll drop a link in the description below, for the site and everything like that. But this is a very nice piece, very solid piece. This gets on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a go. I will say, at the end of the video, once again, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you stick around with us, hang out. We do some cool unboxings here. I actually have a ton of more stuff to unbox, guys. So I'm actually behind. So we will get to it. We will get to work here. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. And I do want to say also again, please stay home, guys. Wash your hands. It's not worth it. Don't go out and brave that. Stay in. Watch some of my videos. This has been Unboxing Chill. Thank you so much.